Welcome to this tutorial on how to see Gamma on Interactive Brokers. Gamma is an important Greek in options trading that measures the rate of change in delta for a one-point change in the price of the underlying asset. Understanding Gamma can help you manage risk effectively and make more informed trading decisions. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the trading platform. Once you are on the trading screen, you should find the options chain for the underlying asset you are interested in. Select the specific options contract you want to analyze. You can usually do this by clicking on the asset and then choosing the Options section from the menu. Now that you have the options chain in front of you, look for the Greeks column. The Gamma value should be listed there alongside other Greeks such as Delta, Theta, and Vega. If you don't see the Greeks, you may need to customize your display settings. Look for an option to customize columns or view settings, and make sure the Greeks are enabled. Finally, take note of how Gamma changes as you look at different strike prices and expiration dates. Understanding Gamma across various options can provide insights into how price movements may affect your position. The more you practice analyzing Gamma and the other Greeks, the better equipped you will be to make strategic options trades. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and best of luck with your trading on Interactive Brokers.